Example number 2, write the augmented matrix of the equations 2x minus y plus z equals 0, x plus z minus 1 equals 0, x plus 2y minus 8 equals 8. Hi everyone, this is Eric Guzman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this tutorial video, we are going to discuss the introduction and the basics of matrices. So, without further ado, let's begin. The systematic approach of the method of elimination for solving a system of linear equations provides another method of solution that involves a simplified notation. Okay, for example, let's consider this system of linear equations. We have x plus 4y equals 14 and 3x minus 2y equals 0. Now, if we choose not to write the symbols used for the variables, pwede nating i-write or represent ang system na ito as 1, 3, 4, negative 2, lagyan natin ng vertical bar, 14, 0, and bracket sa magkabilang side, where it is understood that the first column represents the coefficients of the variable x. We have 1 and 3, ayan. The second column represents the coefficients of y, and the third column, the constants on the right side of the equal sign. So, ito yung ating coefficients ng y, and ito yung ating constant. Yung vertical line na yan, ito, yung vertical line na yan serves as a reminder of the equal signs. So, yung large square brackets are used to denote a matrix in algebra. What is matrix? A matrix is defined as a rectangular array of numbers forming rows and columns. As we can see in this figure, etong papaganyan, ito, lahat ng yan, these are the columns ng matrix natin, and lahat ng papaganito, of course, these are the rows. As I have said, each number of the matrix has two indexes, yung tinatawag nga natin as the row index I. So, pwede natin i-denote yung rows as the I, and the column index J. Or in other references, we call it as the M rows and the N columns. The numbers are usually referred to as the entries of the matrix. For example, we have given an element or an entry A, 2, 3. So, ibig sabihin yan, this entry is in the second row and third column. Yan ang ibig sabihin kapag nakakita tayo ng ganitong element. Now, we will use matrix notation to represent a system of linear equations. We have what we call the augmented matrix. So, what is augmented matrix? It is a matrix used to represent a system of linear equations. In writing the augmented matrix of a system, yung variables ng bawat equation must be on the left side of the equal sign, and yung constant naman ay nandun sa right side. And again, yung equal sign natin is the vertical bar. A variable that does not appear in an equation has a coefficient of 0. Hindi natin siya ibablanko, but papalitan natin siya as 0. Example number 1, write the augmented matrix of the equation 3x minus 4y equals negative 6 and 2x minus 3y equals negative 5. For letter A, as simple as yung ginawa lang natin kanina, so i-convert natin into augmented matrix. The coefficients ilalagay natin sa left side ng equal sign, and again, ang equal sign natin is yung vertical bar. So, for the x coefficients muna, we have 3 and 2. For the y coefficients, we have negative 4 and negative 3. For the constants natin, ilalagay natin is negative 6 and negative 5. And lalagay natin ng bracket. So, eto na yung augmented matrix ng equations natin na ito for example number 1. Example number 2, write the augmented matrix of the equations 2x minus y plus z equals 0, x plus z minus 1 equals 0, x plus 2y minus 8 equals 8. In this kind of problem, we should be careful in writing the augmented matrix kasi again, para dun sa mga variables, dapat lahat sila present. And if any variable is missing, again, ilalagay natin is 0. Also, lahat ng constants must be to the right of the equal sign. Again, we need to rearrange the given system as follows. So, i-rewrite natin muna as yung 2x as is na siya, we have 2x minus y plus z equals 0. Ilalagay natin yung 0 na yan later. For the equation 2, x, wala tayong nakikita na variable y sa equation 2. So, ilagay na lang natin is plus 0y na lang plus z equals yung negative 1, ilipat natin sa kabilang side, we have positive 1 na siya. For the third equation, we have x plus 2y. Wala tayong z, so ilagay na lang natin as plus 0 times z equals, yung negative 8 ilipat natin to the right side of the equation, we have positive 8. So from these rearranged equations, pwede na natin gawin yung augmented matrix. Lagay muna natin yung vertical bar na nagre-represent sa equal sign. And yung constant, we have 0, positive 1, and positive 8. Sa coefficients ng z, we have 1, positive 1 ulit, and 0. For the y naman, we have negative 1, 0, and positive 2. For the coefficients of x, we have positive 2, positive 1, and positive 1. So this is the augmented matrix of this system of linear equations. If we do not include a constant to the right of the vertical bar in the augmented matrix of a system of equations, pwede natin tanggalin yung constant and tatawagin na natin siya as the coefficient matrix of the system. For example, yung problem number 1 natin kanina and itong problem na to, kapag tinanggal natin yung lahat ng constant sa augmented matrix, tatawagin na natin siya as coefficient matrix and ito na yung kanya magiging answer. This is for example number 1 and ito yung ating example number 2. Example number 3, write the system of linear equations corresponding to the augmented matrix. In this problem, reverse naman ang gagawin natin. Kanina, from linear equations, gagawin natin augmented matrix. And this time, from augmented matrix, gagawin natin yung system of linear equations. For example number 3, yung matrix natin has 2 rows and so represents a system of 2 equations. The 2 columns to the left of the vertical bar indicate that the system has 2 variables. Say, for example, gamitin na lang natin is yung x and y. For the first row natin, we have 5 positive. So, this is 5x, positive 2y. And again, yung vertical bar nire-represent niya yung equal sign. So, this is equals positive 13. Sa second row, we have negative 3x and positive 1y, or pwede na lang natin siyang isulat as y na lang, equals negative 10. So, ito na yung ating answer na system of linear equations from the given augmented matrix. Example number 4, write the system of linear equations corresponding to the augmented matrix again, and we have given an augmented matrix na ito. So, since the augmented matrix natin has 3 rows, it represents a system of 3 equations. And since there are 3 columns to the left of the vertical bar, yung system natin contains 3 variables. Say, ang gamitin na lang natin is x, y, and z. So, the system of equation is, for the first row, we have positive 3x, negative 1y, or simply y na lang, negative 1z or simply negative z na lang, equals, ito yung ating vertical bar, positive 7. For the second row, we have positive 2x and 0 yung nandun sa second column natin, yung coefficient ng y. So, hindi na lang natin ilalagay yun. Next, sa third column, positive 2z equals positive 8. Sa third row natin, 0 yung x, so hindi na rin natin siya ilalagay. For the second column, we have positive 1y or simply y na lang, positive, plus positive 1z or simply z na lang, equals 0. So this is the system of linear equations for this given augmented matrix, and this is example number 4.